Your resume is being judged by math. The thing you think is helping you is actually sabotaging you. You submitted the perfect resume, polished every bullet point, and waited with bated breath, but you never even heard back from a human. There was no rejection email, no feedback, and no follow-up. You simply vanished into a digital void. The truth is, your application never even reached a recruiter's eyes. It was intercepted, analyzed, and discarded by a silent, invisible gatekeeper long before a person ever saw your name. We have entered the era of the AI agent. These aren't just simple keyword scanners anymore. Modern recruitment software, like those used by 75% of Fortune 500 companies, now employs sophisticated agents that score your potential based on hidden data points. They look at the cadence of your writing, the structure of your experience, and even the semantic similarity between your skills and a theoretical ideal candidate. It is no longer about what you have done, but how well your digital pattern matches a pre-calculated success template. These agents operate in the background, silently assigning a numerical value to your very existence in the talent pool. The danger lies in predictive modeling. Leading platforms now use algorithms to reject candidates before a recruiter even opens an email. By analyzing historical data from thousands of previous hires, these systems predict your future performance. If the model detects even a slight deviation from the high-performer profile, you are filtered out. A study from the Harvard Business Review suggests that these automated decisions can inadvertently create feedback loops that favor specific demographics. This means the system isn't just looking for talent, it is looking for a replica of past success, effectively blocking innovation and diverse perspectives before they even get a chance to speak. This creates a phenomenon known as the invisible rejection. We are witnessing the emergence of a new class of unemployed talent, individuals who are highly skilled, deeply experienced, but digitally invisible. These are people whose resumes pass every human test but fail the algorithmic one. Because the rejection happens in the cloud, there is no closure and no way to appeal. It is a silent erasure of merit. As more industries adopt these automated gatekeepers, the gap between human capability and algorithmic recognition widens, leaving a growing population of professionals trapped in a loop of applying for roles they are mathematically prevented from ever obtaining. So, how do you fight back against the math? You must learn to humanize your digital footprint. This doesn't mean adding fluff. It means optimizing for the machine while remaining authentic to the human. Start by ensuring your LinkedIn profile and resume use high-density semantic keywords that correlate with your target role. Use specific, measurable achievements. Numbers are the language of algorithms. Furthermore, create a digital trail of verifiable expertise. Write articles, participate in industry forums, and build a portfolio that exists outside of a simple PDF. By creating a multi-layered presence, you make it much harder for an AI agent to categorize you as a low-value, one-dimensional candidate. The landscape of work has fundamentally changed. We can no longer rely on the old rules of meritocracy where a great resume naturally leads to an interview. Today, the gatekeepers are invisible, and they are driven by cold, hard mathematics. To succeed, you must understand the logic of the filter. You are not just competing against other humans, you are competing against a mathematical model of perfection. Your resume is no longer being read by people, it is being judged by math. Mastering this new reality is the only way to ensure your talent is actually seen by the people who matter. The era of the human recruiter is fading into the background of the algorithmic age. As these systems grow more complex, your ability to navigate the math will define your career. Stay ahead of the filter, and never let the algorithm decide your worth. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow. Oops, it's AI. See you in the next one.